Hi. Hi. This is the
So we'll take a look of the fridge also. Then we'll plan the menu, what we can make it. Okay. Okay. Now crab is there, chicken is there, and then watermelon is there. Paneer is also there. Okay, we'll plan. So let's start with the soup first. Okay, let's get the soup done first. So because crab is there, after seeing crab, it's very tempting to have a soup. So let's make some soup first. Okay, for this we'll take some fennel seeds. Should be fine. Then some peppercorns. Meanwhile, then I think I can cut some onions. So roughly chopped onions is fine. Then some curry leaves.
fresh.
Curry leaves, fresh one. So we just wash it and we put along with the stem. So we keep along with the stem and we take some garlic. Little after roasting this one, then you can add the one jeera and pepper you can add to it. So now we add the crab to it. The onion you can directly put in this one. You need not even fry it. Yeah. Yeah, now I need to add water. Some more. Yes, some more you can give. Should be enough. Okay, that's all. You can leave it. So let this get simmered like this only.
Okay.
So the soup will be ready by that time. So we'll use some paneer also. Okay. It's going to get mixed with the chicken. So yeah.
Okay. It's for the stuffing, right?
For the stuffing basically. Okay, so we mash the pickle nicely. Now we add the chicken and paneer to it. You can give me little salt. Yeah, should be fine.
The pickle would be having salt.
Pickle has lot of salt in it. Yeah, this is going to be the stuffing for the chicken. Some mint leaf also. Okay. Sprinkle some paper powder on top. Some more you can sprinkle.
Lots.
Yeah, in this also.
That's mint leaf.
Yeah, this is mint leaf. Some salt also you can put. You can leave it for some time, let it rest for some time. what we'll do is mint also we can chop little bit of mint. Usually for salads, we need not chop it. The taste will go off. It's always better to pinch it and take it into smaller pieces and just leave it. No, some more. That is why I didn't cut the lettuce. I always took it off with it's always supposed to be, for a salad, it's always good to take it off with hands.
How much time will this take?
See, when you're poaching it, you should do at least for 25 minutes. 25 minutes you should do it, because we are doing in a very slow cooking. Okay. The stuffing is also raw. You saw that. Yeah. Stuffing is also raw, so it has to be like this. Okay, so now for the chicken is almost getting ready. In the same chicken stock, we'll use some beans also, French beans also. Just we'll blanch it and take it. Okay. So it gets blanched. Okay, so multi-purpose it's happening. Done. So let us keep it over here. Let it get cooled. It's very hot. So let it cool down. And meanwhile, we have put some beans for blanching in this.
What's this for?
And that for blanching the potato. And that you can put it off. Anyway, we use this oil. So see, when you are blanching this one, it's always better to run it through a chill water. Probably if ice water is there, it will be very good. Thick soup, not a thick soup also. It will be in, what to say, like a form of a rasam it will be. See, like this it will be. All ready to have. Okay, this is the soup for you, crab soup, and there's some salad as well. See, this is the salad, very healthy salad. Some chicken for you. This is the dessert.
Right. Thank you. Before that, I want to give you this gift for letting us come here and cook, for giving us the kitchen. So it's
a pleasure. I learned to. All this stuff here, soup and salad and everything. Thank you, Chef.
It's my pleasure.
So hope you'll enjoy the food.
So enjoy your food.
Thank you.
Okay.
So we make a move.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.